Part 2. Part 2. We are unfortunately checking out of the Sapphire Falls today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've really enjoyed it here. The room's beautiful. The staff are amazing. The hotel itself's amazing. The pool area is amazing. We've just really thoroughly enjoyed our stay in this hotel. I would definitely recommend it to anybody looking to come over here. So that's sad. We've spent 2 weeks here and now we have to go. But the good news is we're off to Disney property instead. Woohoo! So we're going to go and check in at the Swan Dolphin, aren't we?
Yeah.
Ben?
Yeah.
Yep. On Disney property. So we'll take you over there and show you around there as well.
Welcome back to Epcot.
Hey y'all.
Part
Back
2.
in Epcot. Part 2.
Epcotians.
Epcotarians.
Epcotarians.
Whatever
What do
it
we
is.
call them?
Yeah.
Epcot people.
Epcot people. So we just got the friendship boat from the Swan and Dolphin
Your
over
first
to
time?
Epcot. It took about 15 minutes, I reckon. You reckon?
Yeah, and it's air conditioned, which is good.
Yeah. Which way do you want to go first?
Let's go this way. Can we go into Norway?
Let's go London.
We're going to go and ride Frozen.
Yeah, it's absolutely roasting again today, which is great because that's what I love. Even though I've got ginger skin, I still love the heat so much. So the plan for today, we kind of dropped our stuff off. We can't check into the new hotel until about 4. So we're going to bimble around Epcot, ride some rides, hopefully get a lightning lane for Guardians of the Galaxy again. And we are going to, oh my god, Alice is over there. We have to meet Alice, we haven't met Alice before.
Okay.
We've just accidentally bumped into Minnie and Daisy, which was cool, and now we're going to go see Alice. Right, so scrap that. We're not meeting Alice because she's got to go. She's very late for an important date. So we've got to, yes, we've got to go and see her again at 1:20 onwards. That's fine.
Time for a beer.
Let's go to Wheels and Prayer. See, we get pickled egg. Trying to get pickled egg.
So the question is, can we walk past the Canadian pavilion without getting some cheddar cheese soup?
I'm not sure we can, you know.
Or a filet mignon.
Well, it's not. Oh, Mary Poppins is over there.
So she is. Anyway, carry on.
Sorry
Mary
about
Poppins
that. I got a bit
alert
carried
over.
away. Well, when you come to Epcot, you get to see characters that you don't normally see in the other parks. So I'm like, Mary Poppins, Alice in Wonderland.
Pale to teeth.
But yeah, and you're also way. Oh gosh, yes, it's really hot. Really nice.
Glad I've changed t-shirts.
Yeah, I was actually going to say something about that. So I think what I'm going to do, maybe when we get home, is I'm going to put together a video of like just little tips and tricks and hacks and blah blah blahs that we've picked up along the way. So this is our second Florida trip. So I'm just going to put together a quick little something of the stuff that we've learned so that I can just pass it on to you guys. The main thing that I've learned in the last 2 trips is that I would really advise people to wear sportswear when you come to Florida.
Thin, lightweight,
Yeah,
breathable.
so like
Sorry.
every year before we
Retake.
come, every year before we've come over, I've gone to sort of Primark and spent, I don't know, 200 quid, and I've kitted out me and the 2 children in loads of Disney gear. T-shirts, shorts, like if you look at what Ellis has got on at the moment, pan round. That's
Alice.
So like Ellis's outfit I think cost me about £5. And whilst it seems a good idea at the time,
Cotton,
when you're
isn't it?
here, goodness lord, it's so hot. So yeah, I'm going to just say that sportswear is the way forward really.
I'm sure I've just had a notification on my watch that says a hurricane warning. How much is the soup today? $6 for the soup and $9 for the fillet.
My eyes.
Cheddar cheese soup.
Oh my god. It's just insane. It is better from the pavilion than it is the restaurant.
Just getting a book for
Take a scrounge spanner.
Just getting a book
Get involved.
Dad.
The refreshment pool. That's where you can get some tea.
Hello, how can I help you?
Alright?
Yep. Shimmering sips.
Oh, it's it looks like it's one where you get like a sample of different drinks. Should we try it?
Oh, little floats.
Yeah, that's it. Floats.
What have they
Go
got?
that way.
Get mimosa flights.
Should we try some mimosa?
Can I go inside their shop and eat?
Yeah. Let's
We've
get off
got
the
a peach, a berry, and a blood orange mimosa. Give it a go.
Yeah, which one should we start with? I think this one. What's this one?
Blood orange, apparently. Bit strong.
No, not strong. It's sour. That's nice. Can't taste any alcohol though. See what you think.
I'll have a turn. So the closest thing I would say these taste like, these mimosas, taste like fruity ciders, don't they?
Yeah, but they're not. They're like sparkling. So it's kind of like sparkling water with fruit juice in it, really.
Yeah, well they're made from sparkling wine, but yeah, not great. They look nice, but I wouldn't buy them again. Right then?
That white dress.
Oh right, and that's the one that's got 30% off, is it? So how much is it listed as?
118.
118? Wait. So a 35 off.
Now let's look at mom.
Takes down to 80 something, 86. Actually. I just thought it was pretty at some. And cool as well. Oh, look at them. It's a castle.
That's cool.
They're really cute. $65. I really like them.
Too bad, is it? Is that the trident from Little Mermaid?
Yeah.
I've not seen those ones before.
No, I haven't. And Lord knows we've seen nearly all the years going.
You've seen ears on ears.
Mansion ones.
Yeah, that's cool.
I love them colours.
Haunted Mansion's really popular at the moment, so I think they're making a film about it or something.
Oh, okay. They're $70. I'd pay that. How much is that in English then? 70 is probably about 55.
A little bit more, it depends what the exchange rate's doing, isn't it?
It's not going to fit on my massive head, is it? Nothing ever fits on my massive head. Never mind.
It's
But
your hair.
it's not just that. I think it's because I've got a massive head.
What is this?
There's a photo guy there.
So should we do our photo?
Yeah, why not? Get her.
I'm only joking. Have a drink. Did you see what was in the bottom? You see the little mermaid in the bottom? Have a look.
Yeah, let's get
Have a
that.
look. Have a look. Do you not see it?
It's going to trick you.
Look right in the top like that. You don't need to hold it. Look right in the top.
Whoa! Ooh. Noodle exchange. I've not seen this one before.
Is it open yet? No, it's still not here.
Oh, isn't it open?
No, it's coming soon.
Just looking at the menu, getting all excited. Oh.
No, it's coming soon, this one.
Ah,
Noodle exchange.
damn you, noodle exchange.
I know, the big ramen.
Oh, we got some mariachi.
band.
Hang on, Becky, show us what you got.
I want to show them up.
Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegra el cielito lindo.
Becky, guess
Yeah?
what? Yoo-hoo! Family! We're in Norway, and that can only mean Frozen, the ride.
Hopefully it's open today.
Yes, it is open. Let's go get in there. Yoo-hoo! Family!
Wanna build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. Elsa's made a magic winter show with summer snow for Svenny and you. Oh, we're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you and you, all of you. See you there.
We're related or gas?
Let's just call it right. 'Cause for the first time forever, you're here.
For my sister's magic night.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They're born ready.
No wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Da-da, da-da. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boom. The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle. Well, put me in bumper and I'll be a
Happy snowman.
exactly.
Obviously you wouldn't want it here, but it's a right cosy wosy that is.
Nice.
Daddy,
Which is like $60.
Daddy, can I go get
Yeah? So you enjoy the Frozen ride?
Yes. It's very bumpy this time though.
Yeah, that's why we've got to do the show.
But yeah, it's just frozen.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
It's a big Pinocchio.
It's a troll.
It's a Pinocchio.
China.
Going back to China?
Chinese ones, don't they? They don't even have them.
Yeah, they had dumplings. Right, anyway, we've just had the text message from the hotel, so we can actually go and check into our room. So we're going to go and do that now. Becky's got Kung Fu Punch. Has it got much of a punch?
No, absolutely not at all.
Yeah, and apparently it's got vodka in it, and it's like a tropical cocktail.
These are cute. Soy sauces. So
we've
we've got
got
some
some-
egg rolls,
Or as we call them, pancake rolls.
spring rolls. Do you want it on a both?
Yeah. Get
Yeah. Loves a bit of soy, don't we?
it on there. Yeah.
Right then. Which
Go
one
on
do you
then.
like the look of?
You just go for it. I think it's pork and vegetable.
Bloody lovely.
Right. Nice,
Really
right.
good. Try it.
I'm going to get involved. We're just heading back to the hotel now to check in for the first time. So if anyone was wondering where to get the boat, you can get the boat from the back of Epcot, so it's in between France and the UK pavilion. And you can also get the boat across to the boardwalk and you can get the Skyliner over to Hollywood Studios.
Me again. We've just arrived into the Swan Dolphin. We've just checked in and come up to our room. There's a bit of work going on in the hotel at the minute, so it's a bit of a faff getting here because we have to get one lift to get to a different floor, and then so it was a bit of a nightmare getting here. So we're in the room. Just going to take you a quick room tour and show you what it's like. So this is the main entrance as you come in, and then you've got the bathroom area here with the decent-ish size wardrobe, safe, ironing board, hairdryer, best hairdryer, clothes or luggage rack, whatever you want to use it for. Oops. And we got on this side. Got a nice vanity mirror there, extra mirror there. I mean, it's pretty basic. Room for storage down there, and into this one we got some more storage down there. This mirror is a bit bigger. Toiletries. They're not proper Disney toiletries here. Never mind. And then this is the bath / shower. So it's pretty basic, but it will do the trick, I suppose. Then into the main room. Goes with 2 queen beds. Nice big lamp there. Headboards are quite nice, I like these. On the bottom of the lamp you've got plug sockets there, phone. Ice box was in there, Ben's just gone to get some ice for some water. And the room comes with an Ellis. Say hi, Ellis. We've got a really good size storage unit on this side.
And adding them to myself.
So,
I've also found that
yeah, pretty decent. So you've got 4 of those. And then in this cupboard, it's a little refrigerator. And then TV. I think the remote's got Netflix on it, so that could be good. So that was a nice little touch. And the TV, coffee machine. Desk, and then in the corner of the room you've got another lamp and a reading chair. This is the view out of our window, so we're on floor 6 in the Swan. I can't quite remember what room number we are, but we're on floor 6 anyway. So it's quite a decent view. Nice little lake outside there, which is pretty. And then over there you can see some of the parks in the distance. So that's the Hollywood Tower of Terror, I do believe there. I could be wrong. And then you've got over there that bluey grey building, I'm pretty sure is I know actually it can't be given. Oh, I don't know. So yeah. show before already. Last
No,
year
they
was
got rid of
different show.
Harmonia. So this is Epcot forever.
So it's 20 to 9 at night.
It still looks really light on the camera, but it's
Still
quite dark. You can
wacky.
see the Epcot pool over there.
Spaceship Earth. Sweat and sweat.
green head thing.
Thank you. Don't forget the wrist. It's the easiest way when you're in a park late at night to be able to find you and the kids is to put glow bands on. I get them from like Home Bargains, like £1 for about 20 thingies, and I just clip them on everywhere.
Enjoying the fireworks?
Yeah, it was alright. I wasn't blown away, I've got to be honest.
We've not seen that one before, have we? It was harmonious
No.
last time we were here.
We haven't seen that one before. But I like the Disney ones where they do the Disney songs. That makes me cry. Because I just love it. But yeah, it was alright.
So that's the end of our second Epcot day now, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
We've eaten our way around the world.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm burping because I've got a belly full of exotic food from all over the world.
Yeah, we got some more Canadian food. We got the poutine again. And as you can clearly see, we had a few beers.
So,
Yeah. So
back to the hotel.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow,
Chill. Why are we
we're going to try and do Animal Kingdom again.
Yeah, I'm
Okay, last time we got Animal Kingdom Part 2.
Yeah. And we're going to ride Pandora. And we're going to ride
Expedition Everest.
Everest. I'm so rubbish at riding, I always forget them.
Yeah. And hopefully we won't get...
And we're going to Safari.
Yeah, we'll do the safari and
I
hopefully
won't
we'll
get
get
bloody
stormed
well
off.
rained off to it. It'll be like an absolute torrential storm.
Yeah, last time
But
was
we'll
complete
take our
fail.
rain max tomorrow because we didn't take them last time. And last time we had to go home early, which we're not going to do tomorrow.
We got absolutely drenched.
Absolutely drenched. So we're not doing that again. So yeah, I will.
We'll see you
check in with
tomorrow.
you in the morning. Good night.
Good night from Epcot.